If you're looking for a home improvement that enhances both style and functionality, patio doors are one of the smartest upgrades you can make. In Pasadena, where warm weather and outdoor living are part of everyday life, patio doors create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Beyond aesthetics, modern patio doors offer energy efficiency, improved security, and long-term value. Here's why upgrading your patio doors is a smart decision for Pasadena homeowners. Maximizing natural light. One of the biggest benefits of patio doors is the amount of natural light they bring into your home. Large glass panels brighten living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. In Pasadena's sunny climate, this added light can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Modern patio doors often include energy-efficient glass that allows sunlight in while minimizing excess heat, helping you enjoy bright interiors without increasing cooling costs. Enhancing indoor-outdoor living. Outdoor entertaining and backyard gatherings are common in Pasadena. Patio doors make it easier to move between your home and outdoor spaces, whether you have a patio, deck, or garden. Sliding patio doors glide smoothly along a track, saving space and providing easy access. French patio doors offer a more traditional look while creating a wide opening for entertaining. No matter the style, patio doors enhance the flow of your home and encourage you to make the most of your outdoor areas. Improving energy efficiency. Older patio doors may have single-pane glass or worn seals that allow drafts and heat transfer. In Pasadena's warm climate, this can cause your air conditioning system to work harder. Modern patio doors are designed with double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings that reduce heat gain. Tight weather stripping and proper installation ensure a secure seal that keeps cooled air inside. Upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors can help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and potentially lower energy bills. Boosting home security. Security is a priority for any homeowner. Today's patio doors are built with reinforced frames, durable locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass options. Multi-point locking systems and shatter-resistant glass add an extra layer of protection, giving you confidence that your home is secure. Professional installation ensures proper alignment and locking performance, maximizing safety and durability. Increasing property value. Home upgrades that improve both appearance and functionality are attractive to potential buyers. Patio doors enhance curb appeal and modernize your home's design. The added natural light, energy efficiency, and improved access to outdoor living spaces can increase your home's overall appeal in the Pasadena market. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, investing in patio doors adds long-term value to your property. Low-maintenance materials. Today's patio doors are available in durable materials such as vinyl and fiberglass. These materials resist moisture, warping, and fading, important qualities in Pasadena's climate. Unlike traditional wood doors, modern options require minimal upkeep. A simple cleaning routine keeps them looking great for years. Customization to match your style. Patio doors come in a variety of styles, frame colors, hardware finishes, and glass options. Whether your home has a modern aesthetic or a more traditional design, you can find a patio door that complements your architecture. Custom sizing ensures a perfect fit, enhancing both performance and appearance. A practical and stylish investment. Patio doors offer more than just a visual upgrade. They improve energy efficiency, enhance security, increase natural light, and strengthen the connection between indoor and outdoor living. For Pasadena homeowners looking to improve comfort and add lasting value, patio doors are a smart, stylish investment that delivers benefits year-round.